Get out of my room.
What are you afraid of, huh? All I'm asking you is to be a nice girl. No big deal, huh?
Even if you weren't a slime ball, aren't you forgetting that you're married to my mother?
You shut your damn mouth. I think you want it.
Mother! Mama!
Who the fuck do you think she's gonna believe anyway, huh? Shit, either way, you fucking lose, bitch.
Jenny? Jenny?
Damn word out of your mouth. Help me God, I'll divorce the bitch. That's what you want, honey bunny. Have at it. Huh? If you know what's good for you, keep your pretty damn mouth shut.
Jenny?
No, Mom, it's okay. Never mind.
You sure?
Yeah.
Shit, what do you need, a sworn affidavit? God,
No, I just
I
thought...
don't think. You're too damn stupid to think.
Jack? Oh, that must be Sean.
Hey, answer the goddamn door.